Hello guys, welcome to Arithmetical for you. Here in the today's first lecture of the mathematics, we will start about the matrices. The knowledge of matrices is necessary in various branch of mathematics. Matrices are one of the most powerful tool in mathematics. Here, the evolution of the concept of mathematics is the result of an attempt to obtain compact and simple method of solving linear equations. Here, matrices are useful because we can arrange our daily life data into the matrices. Like, for example, Dinesh has 4 oranges and 2 apples. Then how we will arrange in the matrices? Just simple. Dinesh. Then here we written like orange and apple and amount 4 and 2, or we can say that Dinesh equals to 4 and 2. Okay, this will the representation of the matrices where the brackets are show the matrices. Okay, and the column and row show the data of the matrices. Okay, now with the understanding of 4 and 2, here we see that the first number will represent the orange and the second number will represent the apple, number of apple. Okay, the quantity of the oranges and the apple. Now further we see that, let's suppose we have 3 members. Okay, first Dinesh, second one Rahul, and third one Manish. Okay, Dinesh has oranges and apple. Dinesh has 4 oranges and 2 apple. Rahul has 6 oranges and 3 apple, and Manish has 9 oranges and 1 apple. Then how we see in the matrices? Like, just simple: 4, 6 and 9, 2, 3 and 1, where the first row will show the quantity of oranges and apple of the Dinesh, second one is Rahul, and third one is Manish. Okay, first one for the Dinesh, second one for the Rahul, and third one for the Manish. And the columns like these show the quantity of oranges and apple. Okay, so this is the representation of the matrices where we represent our data into the matrices in the column and row form. Okay, where this is the first row, this will second row, and this will third row. Horizontal elements are called row and vertical are columns. This is the first column and this one the second column. Now we see that a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of number or function in the form of column and row. Okay, now we will start about order of a matrix. Okay, so order of a matrix. So how we define the order of the matrix? Let's suppose an example like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we see the 3 row and 3 columns. Okay, so first of all, M will represent the row and N will represent the columns. Then the value of M equals to row, number of rows is 3 and number of columns are also 3. Then this matrix will be the order of 3 into 3. The order of the matrix is 3 into 3, 3 cross 3. It means they have contained 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 elements that contain the matrix is order of 3 into 3. Let's suppose the given order is like 4 into 1. It means it has 4 rows like A11, A21, A31 and A41, and 1 column, 4 row R1, R2, R3 and R4, and one column C1. Okay, here the A11 will represent the address of first element, A21 represent the second address of the element. Okay, like I want go A31 element. Okay, then A31 element is first row, second row, third row, first. The first number show will row and second one column. Then the third row and first column. It means number 7 is address. A31 is the address of the number 7 element. So we can define the matrices like this. The notation of the matrix like we will show the matrix with the capital letter A and equals to like Aij. First and I represent the row and J will represent the column. Okay, and the order of the matrix, which is M cross N. This will the representation of the matrix. Now for example, we have 8 element in the matrix. Then what are the possible order it can have? Then we will find the order. So like M cross N, it means it will possible 8 rows and 1 column. This also combination of the matrix. We have 1 row and 8 columns. Also next 4 row and 2 column and 2 row and 4 column. So we have 4 type of representation of the matrix which have contain the order of like these, which have the number of element is 8. We will multiply with the number of then 8, also 8, 4 2 is 8 and 2 4 is 8. Then all the order are contain 8 element in the each matrix. Now suppose an example like we have a 3 cross 2 matrix. It means 3 row A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Okay, then the A and Aij is defined like 1 by 2 I minus 3 of j. Then we will find the constructor matrix of order 3 into 2. The first Aij, the first element A11, it means the value of I is 1 and the value of j equals to 1. Then 1 by 2, the value of I1 minus 3, it means 2. 1 minus 3, minus 2 and the mode of minus 2 also 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 equals to 1. Similarly, A21 like value of the I is 2 and the value of j equals to 1. It means the value of A21 equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, A22 element also 2, and A31 element 0, and A32 element equals to 3 by 2, and the last element A12 element is equals to 5 by 2. Then we will construct a matrix like A11 element is 1, A12 element 5 by 2, third element 1 by 2, and A22 element is 2, A3 element is 0 and 3 by 2. The matrix is order of 3 cross 2. So here we will find by the function a matrix of order 3 by 2. Okay. So guys, here we see about the matrices. What is the matrices, how we can use in the mathematics, what is the uses of the mathematics, and what is the importance of the in the mathematics. Now in the next lecture we will talk about the types of the matrices, where the column matrices, row matrices, and different types of matrices. So we will meet in the next lecture. Please subscribe this channel for the best video lectures and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you guys.